While reviewing some of my past recordings and literally having the sounds of the birds drown out my voice, at first was kind of irritating. But while I was trying to find the actual figures for last night's bird migration, because I screwed that one up royally. Well, I came across a new article about tracking the birds and how they're doing it. And I have to say that I do not agree with it. And you will understand why when I show you the screenshot. But I will also include a link in the description in regards to the devices that they are going to be using to track the birds. I will show you these devices in action. They claim that these devices serve certain weather purposes. I will show through that link the true purpose of these devices and how they are linked in with weather manipulation and the directional controlling of weather systems. This is through the Doppler radar devices. The big round balls. They are, to me, not Doppler radar. Not when I have the evidence through Doppler radar of how these devices control the directional pattern of weather systems. And they are planning on using these Doppler balls to send beams up towards these birds in the sky to count how many there is. And maybe even to identify the types of birds. It's not like we haven't already had quite a few years of these stories of birds by the hundreds, if not thousands, dropping from the sky. Can we play, connect the dots? You tell me. Just for you people that do keep up on my channel, a real quick apology. I did not realize that I actually used the word true. As you know, I am trying to cut that word out of my vocabulary as well as a couple of other words. So I just wanted to point that out before anybody tried to use that against me. Thank you.